Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at the RocwooD £13,500 winch with nylon rope. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at the shipper box. As you can see, we've got the product image on the front along with the fair leads and skewers on the right. Open up the box reveals the instruction manual. As you can see, it says the same instruction manual as the other £13,500 winch. It also comes with a tag to be able to hook onto the hook when the vehicle is in motion. It also comes with a steel hook that's nice and sturdy. It comes with a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will invalidate any warranty. In addition, when we open this bag up, it reveals the switch that can be connected to the battery box. Addition included is nuts and bolts to be able to connect the winch together. Here's the battery box with the wires already connected. In addition, there's some extra wire to be able to connect it to your car battery. Here is the fair lead wrapped in its own separate bit of bubble wrap. In addition, this product also comes with 2 wireless controllers, so you'll be able to use your winch with ease. And once we rip the winch out of the bubble wrap, here it is. As you can see, it's bright yellow and black, featuring the RocwooD colours, and it's nice and heavy. The rope comes zip tied to the winch, so it stays nice in packaging. In addition, these extra tubes are available in the packaging to be able to put over the cables so they stay nice and secure without being knocked. The drum dimensions for the winch is 64mm by 224mm. Here is the mounting bolt pattern on the bottom of the winch. It is 26cm by 11.5cm. This is the specification for the winch. The controls are 1x handlebar and a 2x wireless. Its gear train is 3-stage plant entry. Its gear ratio is 265:1. The recommended battery is 12 amp hour minimum. Its duty cycle is intermittent. Its mounting bolt pattern is 250mm by 114.3mm and its weight is 41 kilograms. Whatever you're looking to recover, may it be cars, quad bikes, boats, this winch can do it all. Now that you've watched the main video for one of our winches, it's now to the comparisons. We have 4 winches in the RocwooD lineup, one at 3000 lbs, 4500 lbs, 13500 lbs, and another one at that as well. From this picture on the screen, as you can see, I've put them in the size of scale. The smaller ones can be used for smaller pickup trucks, whereas the bigger ones can be used for more commercial uses or for lifting heavier things. All of the winches all operate the same. However, the major difference is the smaller winches come with their own winch plate that can be removed. However, the bigger ones, being so big, just get directly mounted onto the vehicle. If you're interested about learning more about our other winches in depth, we have some videos also uploaded. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.